Hey guys, back with another video for my addicted YouTube channel. So I'm using the OnePlus Nord C4 for a long time, and this phone has really holed up, and this phone has recently got some of the updates, which has made the phone better in some things. And definitely there are some things which are not good also in this phone. And one thing I used to face in this phone is the slow and lagginess when I will be using the phone for a while. This has been a little bit of a problem from a long time in OnePlus Nord C4 because whenever you will be trying to use the phone for a long time, you will be getting some of the hiccups or these animations, and everything will not be feeling a lot more smoother. So definitely I have found a way to make the phone faster and snappier, and here you can see the apps are opening so much faster now. And after the update, there are some of the bugs which are fixed, and definitely I have also changed some of the settings to make the phone even more faster and even more snappier, and one of the best phones it is feeling right now because it has become so much faster in there. And with every action and operation, you can feel it. The animations are looking really good, and the apps are opening also really, really fast. So in this video, I will be telling you the exact settings which I have changed to make the OnePlus Nord C4 a lot more faster and better than before. As always, this will be a sick video, guys, and if you're a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. First of all, this phone has got some updates, and the visual improvements are really good. You can see the blur effects are there, and the animations are also looking really, really nice. So make sure you update the phone to the latest version. And you can see latest version is 101 in the end. This is the version which I am running, and make sure you are updating the phone to the latest version to get the best of this phone. And now let's see what are the settings I've changed in here. So first of all, you need to turn on the developer options for this. And to turn on developer options, you have to go to settings and about device. And here you need to just scroll down and go to the version, and in the version number, you have to click multiple times. After that, you will be getting a message that you are a developer. I have already done that. So after you've turned on the developer option, what you need to do is go to settings and system and update, and here you will get the developer options. And once you are in the developer options, you need to just scroll down until you find some of the settings which are related to the animation of the phone. These are the things which you will be getting: Windows animation scale, transition animation scale, and animated duration scale. You will see that it will be turned on to 1.5 times, and the default settings are animation scale 1.5 times. So if this settings is turned on, you will be getting a lot more slower app opening speeds, and you can see camera is opening so slowly. But what you need to do now is go to the Windows animation scale and change this to animation scale 0.5x for everything, and make sure you are doing this correctly, because if you are changing some other settings, then you can really, really mess up your phone, and your phone will not be able to function properly for not changing the correct settings. So only the Windows animation scale, transition animation scale, and animated duration scale you need to change. You don't need to change any other settings, and once you have done this, you will be getting a lot more smoother animations, and the phone will overall feel a lot more faster and better than before. So make sure you are changing these settings too. That's it, guys. Wanted to show you how to make your OnePlus Nord C for a lot more faster than before. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. To